What's up guys, Holden here, H-Bomb Fitness. So today I'm going to show you how to go after the adductors, okay? So adductors inside your thigh right here, okay? Well, they do adduction, so they bring your legs closer to your midline, okay? So if we think of this in a squat, okay, if you have really tight adductors, your legs are always going to be forced inward, okay? That could possibly lead to a valgus knee, okay? But more importantly, you're going to have an inability to create external rotation by driving your knees out, okay? So if you really have tight adductors, it's going to be really hard to drive your knees out, okay? So if we can loosen those guys up, we can get greater external rotation and not so much valgus knee, okay? So, classic barbell one, take a barbell, you can put some weights on the side end of it, get some more pressure, and you're just going to go this high adductor mass, okay? Put your foot on the barbell, and the cool thing about this is we can take up the slack and kind of grab all that tissue, muscle, fascia, all that stuff, okay? And we're getting like the pectineus right here, adductor brevis, but more importantly, we're getting all the insertions of all of them, okay? So you should really feel this one. Adductors get really tight. Make sure your knee is in a flex position opposed to an extended position, because they help in an extension at certain points. So we want them to be as loose as possible so we can really grind in there. Okay, so honestly for here you can spend like 10 minutes on just trying to find some little corners, okay? This one's nice, you know, it's doesn't take as much work as some of the other mobilizations I've shown you. You can kind of just relax here and just let it sink in. Alright, once again, you can add more plates, or you can just put your foot on it and use your hand to really press down, okay? So that's the first one. And the next one, just kind of figure this out through mobility WOD. This is a really cool one. Take a kettlebell, okay? What you're gonna do is put the kettlebell, basically, if you see that, the high part of your adductor, okay? Right up there, basically the highest part, okay? And we're just gonna sink in here, right? This one here, you feel it really well. This is like really deep for me, okay? And then this, you just sink in here, kind of do some tap and floss, like this. And yeah, so we're just gonna sink in here. You can move this along, go all the way down to your VMO and your quad. But yeah, that's all we're gonna do. So these two mobilizations, remember, that'll help us with getting into external rotation with our knees, so we can create stable hips, stable foot, etc. So there you go guys, adductors.